of the best.
The 54th International Film Festival of India will be held in Goa from the 20th of this month. The festival will continue till 28th of November. Briefing media at a curtain raiser press conference in New Delhi today, Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur said IFFI Goa gives an important platform to global films. He said IFFI is one of the biggest cultural extravaganza in the world.
India's media and entertainment industry is a force to be reckoned with, the ranking as the 5th largest market globally. ये कहा जा सकता है पूरे हक के साथ that IFFI has been a beacon of cinematic excellence, bringing together the finest talents from both the Indian and the international films industry.